Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. Hey everybody, it's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About today. Today we're actually not learning about a fish, but we're learning about a Cerith snail. These guys are really awesome to get and they can be a lot better choice than other snails. Prices on them, you shouldn't spend any more than $1 on them each. You definitely need a bunch of them in your tank. Tank size doesn't matter. Really, if you want to go for an amount on your tank, we recommend doing half of whatever gallons you got. So you got a 50-gallon tank, get about 25 of them, and they will keep your tank spotless. Care level, super easy to take care of. Shouldn't have a problem keeping them. Just make sure to acclimate them slow because they are sensitive to the salinity. Temperature, they are very peaceful. They do not knock over stuff like a turbo snail would. And something that's really crazy about them is whenever we first put them in the tank, they stayed in the sand and we're cleaning the sand constantly. But eventually we added some nefarious zombie snails in there with them. And after we added them, I don't know if the zombie snails chased them off or whatever, but the Cerith snails came up and started cleaning the glass and the rocks instead. So kind of get a little combo there. Get a little bit of an Astrea snail and a nefarious at the same time. So that's really cool. Reef compatible, definitely yes. He is one of the best ones to get in a reef tank because he will not knock over your corals, which people have a bad problem with. Temperature, you want to keep it 72 to 78, DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.023 to 1.025. Like I said, keep it right on the dot with these guys. A quick change of salinity can really hurt them. Diet, they are omnivore. They're going to be eating any kind of algae they can find, leftovers, just basically anything that other fish aren't eating. Max size, 1 inch, just basically as big as that little shell gets. Compatibility, just ask. He can basically be with anything. Like I said, he was with nefarious snails. I've had him in my tank with turbos and anything else, and nobody really bothered them or ran after them. They just cleaned algae right beside each other. Color, definitely just depends on whatever shell they're in. Origin, they got the Mexican Cerith snails. These ones have a smooth black shell with little white spots going all over it. And then they also get some from the Caribbean, which are white with dominant like 3D designs you could actually feel if you put their fingers on them. And that pretty much does it for your Cerith snail. Great algae eater, but then also will go down in your sand and clean your sand too, so you get a little double the action there. So that's a pretty awesome if you want to get them. Hope you all have a good day. Short video, not much to tell about a snail, but it gets you a little starting point to see where you want to go with your cleanup crew. I would definitely put this on the list of something you want to put in there to clean up some stuff. Hope you all have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Hope to get some more videos out as soon as possible. Bye.